Hey guys, we just checked into Hotel Trundle in Columbia, South Carolina, and I want to give you a look around our super cute room. It is darling. I'm kind of obsessed with this cute little fridge and microwave. There's a Keurig so we can have coffee and tea, fantastic robes, this gorgeous bed, king size bed. We are on the first floor. Great chair, flat screen, and wait until you see this bathroom. After driving for 8 hours today, I'm so excited to have a shower, and there are gorgeous spa amenities. So good, perfect. And the cat wall picture, I mean, what more can we ask for? There's live jazz music right now in the lobby. This hotel is super cute. They give you a free glass of wine or beer at check-in. If you're coming to Columbia, South Carolina, make sure to check out Hotel Trundle.